I'm Habibur Shirani from Pakistan. I would like to gratitude with message with congratulation to Bangladesh BUDGERIGAR Society for hosting and organizing International 8th Color BUDGERIGAR Show. And would like to thank Sultan Tanveer Mohsen Feroz Iftikhar Shawan and many other friends of the society, because Bangladesh is working from last 2 decades in this BUDGERIGAR hobby, and that's the moment and a tribute moment for all our region and especially to Bangladesh for inviting Mr. Bob Wilson from USA for judging this international tremendous show. I would like to send a message with greeting and salam to everyone over there, for organizing team and for members and all participants of the show. And further would like to enhance with a common and a small message to accelerate this tendency and a hobby toward the conservation of the animal shows. We have to promote animal shows, we have to promote novelty pets and exotic shows, we have to promote animal sport with and through the development of the economics as well for the regional growth. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'm on behalf of Pakistan Association for BUDGERIGARs and Pakistan Association Agriculture Foundation. Thank you very much.